Delhi to all. July 7, 2021, Wednesday. Today we are at Chiliganga, Pashupati area. We are going to distribute food for the homeless and hungry people. The person who helped was Jessica Doze, director of Silicon Traveling, and the sponsor who donated is Chime Engjum from New York. On behalf of her late father, Dawa Doze, the donation amount is $500 and Nepali convert 58,500. The expense from this money were food 225, amount 45,000, transportation 6,000, yogurt 3,500, water 4,000. Total amount 58,500. Thank you.